Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 DRV Mobile Suites. This is the Houston model with the exterior platinum haze. Come on inside, let me show you the details. Okay, so now we're in the inside of this 2021 Houston. It has the hazelnut wood with the Franklin series residential furniture in slate with the interior color affinity. As we look and walk in, this is the bath and a half front master bathroom model. As we come in the door and to the left in our slide out with our dinette table, notice the table is a pull-out table with an add-a-leaf and two folding chairs that go away upstairs. We also have the frameless dual pane insulated windows with the MCD roller shades. Overhead cabinetry, the elite hardwood window valances, that's a very nice feature. Very nice, elegant cabinetry. If you haven't looked at a DRV, you owe it to yourself to look at this before you make your purchase. If you're looking for home quality of cabinetry in an RV, this is it. The theater seating, that's all power, recline, massage, heat, overhead cabinetry as well. Lots of windows throughout this coach. We have the couch that's a hide-a-bed couch on the back end tables on each end with overhead cabinetry above. Plenty of lighting. And as we pan around to the off-door side, we have the big 55-inch smart TV with the soundbar below, overhead cabinetry, below cabinetry, a pull-out area that could be utilized as a desk space and or storage drawer, cabinets on both sides of the fireplace, big appliance garage area as we come toward the kitchen, loads of counter space for the kitchen area, solid surface backsplash, lift up countertop above the triple burner Furrion cooktop, and then above that is the Whirlpool residential microwave. Again, more cabinetry. I'm going to say that throughout because this has tons of cabinetry. Nice big island with the double deep sinks, all stainless. Very nice with covers. This one's going to have the big dishwasher. It's got the big drawer for the pull out for the garbage can in the island, a great feature. And then as we look at the Whirlpool residential refrigerator, half bath, that's going to have a closet there for our washer and dryer hookup. We can do a single piece combo or we can do a double. Nice vanity, big cabinetry area above the sink, even a window in the bathroom, super nice, fan above. And then as we go upstairs, we got the nice big king bed, the vanity slide with a bunch of drawers in it. I think we got a total of 8 drawers. And then we have the TV in the bedroom as well with the sound bar. And then we pan into the bathroom with the double sink. Very large spacious shower with seat. This unit's going to have the macerator toilets. And then when we go to the very front, the Houston is going to be one of the largest, if not the largest, walk-in closet of all of the DRV Mobile Suites models. So we walk in there, we got drawers in the closet, cedar lined, it's all lit. Very spacious closet to get in and out and get your clothes out of there, along with a huge master bathroom. This is a great model if you're going to be doing some long-term, full-time stuff. This is a great model. Colors are beautiful. So underneath the basement here, we're going to have a big, what I call Joey tray. So it has the pull-out tray that pulls out on either side. We got the dual awnings, LED light strip, triple axle, disc brakes, independent suspension, little storage compartment back on the back end. Both of these awnings will go out probably approximately a full 8 feet. I just have them partial out now. It does have the rear hitch on the back end. Most of these we order with the backup camera around the other side. Then we order these with the heated pads on the holding tanks as well. 12-gallon gas and electric hot water heater. Then we have our docking station, and you'll know that on the DRV Mobile Suites they have a gray and a black flush out system where most RVs only have a black. So benefit of the DRV having the both. But then when we get around to the driver's side basement, access to the full house water manifold system, that's a great feature, along with the full house water filtration system. This unit's going to have 2 6-volt batteries, a battery disconnect and batteries in the front corner. Along with this one is gen prepped, does not have a generator but is prepped to install a generator if we want to. A handful of other features that we can do a full walk around if you decide to come by and take a look. I'd be happy to show you. Any questions that you may have on the DRV Mobile Suites products, whether it be something we have in stock or you would like to order, or questions on, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.